While I'm waiting for people to catch on to what we're doing, which is to say we are in need of more donations, more donors. If you want to do that, you can do it through Zoom for a single donation, or you can do it through Patreon for regular donations. But while we're waiting for that to happen, I could shoot another video that follows the 50-50 premise and shows some more giving and things. But I want to encourage you guys to give. I don't want to just make a bunch of videos that show like, oh, look what I'm doing. I want to make a bunch of videos that show, look what you're doing. And that's, to me, pretty cool. But until then, until I get some more donors, I was thinking it'd be good to show you a little bit of the beauty of the Philippines. And a lot of people think, when they think about the beauty of the Philippines, they think, oh, beaches and this and that and whatever. And yeah, that's beautiful, but it's like, if you've seen a beach, you've seen a beach, you know what I mean? Like, the real beauty of the Philippines is the people. There's no other way around it. That's the absolute most gorgeous part. And if you speak Hiligaynon, you really get to know the beauty of the people. If you speak English, and that's it, you can still see it, you can still catch it, but you don't really catch the essence of it. You don't really get to know people unless you speak in their own language. That's when you really start to catch it and really get to know people and just get drawn in. I'm in Bingawan right now. It's in the province of Iloilo, and it's a farm community. And every year there's a fiesta. We're gonna go check it out. Dance a little bit, whatever, have a good time. So, the people, that's the beauty of the Philippines. The people. I'm gonna let them speak for themselves.
Mang chicks ta? Mang chicks ta? Kisman. Unan.
Hindi ko kauno ng manok, pero nami kaayuin ng ginubra mo. Ini, te. Ano ini? Ano ang i-explicar mo parte sa ginubra mo dire?
Yung manok para kay Joshua.
Para hindi man para sa akon. Hindi ko kauno.
Kay dalo ni Joshua kay Fiesta sa Iloilo.
Hindi. Hindi naman kaunon. Oh. Pero namin kaayuin ng ginubra mo. Te. Anong kadugay na?
Kani sa Cebu. Kamino.
Taga sa siya?
Sa Cebu.
Ini nga manok.
Hindi ang timplada.
Ini, ang templada amo nang ginatawag nga ining gintukod nga lechonan. Ina, taga Cebu. Bayo gid. Ayos lang? Ayos lang?
One time nakaima ta to birthday na nino. Why ma? Tungkot imo ma nagangdan imong nangod.
Dire kita. Ayos ka lang. Ayos ka lang. Ayos lang ka mo. Mayo. Kanta ta. Na si Bobby. Mayo gid. Kanta gid kita. Mayo. Ayos. Anong kantohon mo?
Wala na yung katahon mo muna ako.
Okay, kanta na kita. Rehearse na kita. Tingnan na kita. Kanta na kita. Okay. Okay. Basta mag-upog ka kay Tiyo, damo ang imong lagaw. Grabe. Dan. Ano pa? Maglagaw pa kami. Hindi kita magkanta. Dali lang. Okay. Magkanta pa kita. Mayo.
Ay pinatapalaman, wala kaming mga sawas niyo kita. Hindi pa rin naman kami unapalya. Mahilig kami sa matatanda, katawan lang aming nakikita. Lalo tayong kalaki-laki pa.
May ulan na! Kamay lang! It's a little bit of rain. But we're gonna go dance. This is what happens when farmers get together and dance. The interesting things about the Philippines that is very different from the United States. In the United States, women tend to dance very quickly, and men are the wallflowers. In the Philippines, that's very different. It's the opposite. Men dance right away, and women tend to be the wallflowers. So there are a lot of male dancers in here, and people just love it. They just have a great time. And these are all farmers, you know, for the most part, they're farmers. It's fun because these guys are letting a year's worth of farming loose on the dance floor. It's inspiring. There's this guy, and he's like, come on in with me. Dance with me. And he's shy to dance by himself. I'm like, it's all right. Jason's in there dancing. I'll be in a minute, and I'll dance with you guys. And he's like, all right. I'll go dance with Jason for now. But then you'll come in and dance with me, right? I love it. You know, it's great. Men like to dance. You know, there's a leader of the village, and he's like, oh, let's dance. And so we dance together, you know? And it's funny because there are a lot more men than women dancing in there because that's just the Philippines. In the Philippines, men dance, and a few women do, but men dance. It's still raining, but you know what? It's pretty great, I'm telling you. So if you haven't done a fiesta in the Philippines, you should. We'll do another special episode like this in the future, but I started this video saying, oh, we need more patrons, and we do. But I didn't know, because I didn't have the internet, that another patron signed on, Patrick Solomon, pledging $100 a month, which is huge. There's so much that can be done with that amount of money. So I'm excited to see where the next episode takes us. I have some ideas. But stay tuned because it should be pretty cool. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you, Jeremy, our other patron. And thank you, Ivana, who is a one time at a time patron. And thank you to all future patrons. Anyone else who like to donate, go to patreon.com /50_50 if you want to do it month by month. If you want to just do kind of one-time donations, let's work it out. You can send money through Zoom, and you can become a part of this story. It's pretty great. Love you guys, and stay tuned.